Do you want the lowest interest rate on a mortgage or the cheapest rate? Remember back in 2020 when people bragged about their 2.25 rate at the barbecue? That was a rare time in history when some of the lowest mortgage rates of all time were also the cheapest. Today's market's a little bit different. Lenders are competing hard to get their clients the best possible deal when mortgage rates continue to be elevated well above the levels we saw a few years ago. Why do rates fluctuate from lender to lender so much? Just like any other business, loan originators have overhead that needs to be covered, and they cover this overhead with margin on the interest rate. Higher interest rates can be sold to investors for more. Therefore, lenders with more overhead must originate mortgages at higher interest rates in order to pay their bills and remain profitable with margin. This is why might be worth understanding a lender's business model before working with them. Are they able to offer a lean and mean quote with a lower rate? Or are there additional costs and fees in order to get your rate lower? The difference between the lowest rate and the cheapest rate is a matter of cost. And costs can come from a discount points, origination, various fees. Would you rather get a 5.9% rate with no fee at all, or a 5.9% rate with $5,000 in discount points? It's important for home buyers to understand not only what their rate is, but also the costs associated with that rate. You might be overpaying for an interest rate you don't really need or can't truly afford if you don't understand the cost. It is important for borrowers to remain educated in the mortgage process and possibly even talk with a couple lenders in order to be informed about the type of deal being offered. But the mortgage rate doesn't just vary upon which lender you choose, it also varies depending on credit score, size of down payment, loan program, whether you're a first-time home buyer or not, or intended use of the property. At Mortgage 101 team, our value is in our name. We strive to educate our clients on all the important considerations with a mortgage because buying a home is one of the biggest decisions and financial moves of your life. If you are a first-time home buyer or even an established home owner considering another mortgage, you should make the investment to learn more about the financing process. A little bit of time and energy up front can save you thousands of dollars and open up a world of additional opportunities. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Jeremy Stebbins. I'm a mortgage broker with the Mortgage 101 team, and I help homeowners purchase homes as well as stay informed throughout the process. Through expert home lending, I can originate mortgages all across the country with many different lenders and interest rates to choose from. Please reach out to me if at any time if you're interested in learning more about refinancing to lower your rate potentially or getting pre-approved for a home loan purchase. Thank you.